welcome back to my kitchen. Today, Chi-Chi and Peachy and me, we're going to make some ricotta raspberry muffins. Oh, your favorite. For the ingredients, you'll need some milk, raspberries, flour, powdered sugar, salt, baking powder, raspberries, butter, 2 eggs, some ricotta, and vanilla sugar. Measure 120 grams of butter. Put it in your preheated oven for 2 to 3 minutes to melt. Add 300 grams of ricotta to your mixing bowl. Now add 1 cup of milk. Add 20 grams of vanilla sugar. Now mix it. Add the melted butter and mix it. Crack 2 eggs over 300 grams of sugar and mix it all up. Once it's creamed together, add the ricotta mixture. Now mix it up slowly. Add 2 teaspoons of baking powder to 27 ounces of flour. Add 2 pinches of salt. Now mix it up. Add 400 grams of raspberries. Mix the rest by hand. Now use butter or coconut oil to coat the pan and coat them in some flour. Make sure to coat all sides. Now pour your batter onto the pan. Now add a few raspberries on top. Now bake them for 25 minutes at 355 Fahrenheit. Now that they're ready, take them out the oven. Now for the final touches, add some powdered sugar. Now on to the best part, we're going to taste it. So good. Hope you enjoyed this episode. We'll see what we're gonna cook up next.